Mal, don't they know that it's bedtime with these shenanigans? How do you feel about this, Mal? They had all day. They played all day long. All an old man wants to do is get some rest. Oh, he's pushing your buttons. She's pushing your buttons, isn't she? I see it in your eyes. Oh, you're getting a little annoyed? One good little push on your bad side and you're going to give it to her, aren't you? Are you warming up those claws? You look very annoyed. You thought you were just going to come snuggle with me, huh? In they come, Dumb and Dumber. Is that what you call them? Phoebe! KK! Phoebe! Oh, hey girl, hey! Oh! He had enough. Sorry, Mouser. You two are ridiculous. They straight have a toyed everything in here. Just playing rope. Hey, it's night-night time. You guys just went out potty. Now it's time for bed. Really? Oh my gosh. You two are so silly. Oh gosh. Mouser, what do you think? It's a no from you? Yeah, it's a no from you.